Respected viewers and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine. So in the previous class we did first part of exercise 3.1. Today I shall try to understand you the remaining part of question number 1, that is geometrical representation of the given situations. So far we have got two equations. One is 3x minus y equal to minus 6, and let me name it as first, and the other was minus 7x minus y equal to 42. Okay, now we have to do the second part, that is geometrical representation of the given situations of the question. Okay, now from equation first we have what we have. It is 3x minus y equal to minus 6. Let me write it as 3x equal to minus 6. This minus y will go to the RHS, it will change its sign and it will be written as plus y. Okay, furthermore 3x equal to minus 6 plus y divided by 3. So we get this. Shabash. Now we shall put the value of y so that we can get the value of x. Do you follow me? Suppose let y equal to 6. Okay, then x equal to minus 6 here plus y. Instead of y we have to write is 6 plus 6 divided by 3. It is minus 6 plus 6, it's 0 divided by 3. 0 divided by 3 is equal to 0. So what we get? It is y is equal to 6 and x is equal to 0. Okay, now furthermore, if y equal to 12, okay, let us see what will be the value of x. Then x equal to minus 6 plus 12, minus 6 plus 12, value of y, okay, and divided by 3, divided by 3. It is 6 by 3. Okay, now 3 ones are 3 twos are, it's 2 by 1, that means it is 2. If the y is 12, then the value of x obtained is 2. Do you follow me? Okay, if we take another value of y, if y equal to 18, then this x equal to this minus 6. Now we will write here 18 divided by 3. It's 12 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. The value of x is 4. If y is 18, then x is 4. Similarly, if we put y equal to 42, Okay, then x equal to minus 6 plus 42 divided by 3. This will be, it will be 36 divided by 3. Okay, 3 ones are, 3 ones are, 3 twos are. It's 12. Do you follow me? So it is 12. If y was, if the value of y was, if we put the value of y equal to 42, then the value of x becomes 12. Okay, thus we can make a table from these equations. Like from the equation first, we can write it as it's x and it's y. 4, 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth one. So 4 values, 1, 2, 3, 4. When the value of y was 6, x was 0. 6, 0. Later on y was 12 and the x is 2. Y is 18 and x is 4. Y is 42 and this is 12. Okay, similarly we shall proceed the same procedure for the second equation, that is 7x minus y is equal to 42. Okay, so let me take another paper. So now from equation second we have 7x minus y equal to 42. Okay, we will keep 7x here, and on the right side of the equation we will write 42, and this y will change its sign and will be written as on the RHS as plus y. Okay, furthermore x equal to 42 plus y divided by 7. As we did in the previous this equation, same procedure we have to adopt here. If y equal to 7, then x equal to 42 plus 7 divided by 7 equal to, this is 49 divided by 7. 7 ones are, 7 sevens are, that is 7. Go, when the value of y is 7, then the x is 7. Okay, furthermore, if y equal to 14, then x equal to 42 plus, instead of 7 we have to write now 14 because the value of y, divided by 7. How much it is? 4 2 6 4 the 5, 56 by 7. Okay, 7 ones are, 7 eights are 56, so it is 8. Okay, now if y equal to 21, x equal to, so the value of x is here 42. Instead of 14 in the previous step, we have to write 21 divided by 7. It's equal to 3 4 2 6 7. What is 7 ones are 7 nines are. When we have the value of y 21, then x comes 9. Okay. If y equal to 42, then x equal to, it's 42 plus 42, because here the value of y is 42, so it is 42 of the equation, and the value of y 42 plus 42 divided by 7, it is 4 8 divided by 7. Okay, now 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, and 7 twos are 14, so the value of x is 12. From the above steps, we have the following table. If you see, it's x and y, 1 2 3 4. We'll see it later how many steps are there. It is when the value of y is 7, then x is 7. It means 7 7 7 7. Later on, y 14, x 8, 14, it's 8. In the third step, we got y 21, and the value of x is 9. And this last step, we have x 42, y 42, and x 12. Thus, we got two tables from two different equations. One table is this. This is the first table. We got this table from equation number first. This is the equation first. Okay? And from this equation second, we got this table. What we have to do now? We have to plot a graph with the help of these two boxes. Let's move further. So this is the plan paper. I have drawn x-axis and y-axis. It's y-axis, and this is x-axis. Okay. Before we draw the points on it, what we have to see? We have two tables. One is this. This is from equation first. Okay, equation first. The maximum value of the x is 12, and here also in the second it's 12. So we can mark up to 12 or more. Okay. Later on, the y, maximum value of y is 42. So what shall we do? It is, let's assume it's 1 centimeter. 1 2 3. Let me zoom a little bit. This 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay. From here on the y axis, what shall we do? This 1 centimeter, it is we will write 1 centimeter is equal to 3 years. Like it's 3, this 0, this 3, this is 6 9, and it's 12 15 18 21 24, it's 27, it's 30 33, it is 36. Okay, this is 39, this is the 42 which is the maximum value we have got, the value of y. Let me write one more. It is 40, 44, 45. Okay. Now we have x-axis and y-axis. We have to plot these pointers from equation first. From equation first we have this box. Okay. Let me take the help of this set square. First point is x is 0 and y is 6. Okay. So it is 0, x and y is 6. It's here. Do you follow me? Next, 12, y12. This is y12 and the x value of x is 2. Let me do like this. I will keep this line on the 2 and this line on the 12. Okay, it's 12, it's 2, it's here. It's 2, 12. Okay, third point. 4x, y18. 4x. This is 4x and y18. Like this. It will help you while plotting on the plan paper. This is 4 and 18. This is here. Okay. It was 4 and 18. Similarly, if we skip this point, let me take the last one. It's 12 and 42 because we need at least 2 points to make the line. And it is 40. One is x is 12 and this is 12 and the other point is 42. This is 42 and this is 12. Okay. Yes. Focus on. Okay. It may be little bit here and there, but if you have this graph copy, it will be correct here and there. And this is the point 12 and 42. Okay. Now let's join these points. From here, yes, you can see okay. This is the line from which we got this, so we can write even the name of the equation over this. Similarly, let's plot the other equation, the values of x and y. This is the equation second, this one, and the values are different. So the first value is 7, 7. X is 7, y is 7. 7, 7. Here it is 7, and this might be here. This 6 and 9 here. Let's presume it's here. It's here. Okay. Here, sorry, it's 7, 7. Sorry, where? It's here. It's 7, 7, 7, 7. On the 7. It may be here. This one is not here. 7, 7. Next point is 8, 14. 8 here, x side, and 14 on the other. This may be here. $14. $8, 14. Okay. If we take the last, that's 14 and this exactly what we have done in this line. It is 12 and 42, it's here. So if we join this line, it will pass, it will intersect to the first line here. Okay, so this is the required a graphical representation of the given situation. Okay, that means this line and this line, these two lines met at the point 12 and 42. As you see here, this box, it also contains x value 12 and 42. This also, this the next equation is table 12 and 42. That means it is the point where the two these lines met, is a point of intersection. This value, which value? 12 and 42. These are the solutions of the equation. That means if you want to find the value of x and y, that is the age of Aftab and his daughter. So we have kept the age of daughter, that was x. So here x is 12 and the age of Aftab was y, that's 42. So by this method we can even find their ages, and the daughter's age is 12 and the father's, that's Aftab's age, is 42. So that was the graphical representation of the situation. Okay, so we can write thus the above graph is the required geometrical or graphical metrical representation. Okay, I hope you have fully understood this question. This is question number 2. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later, she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. Okay, so what shall we do? Let the cost of one bat be x. Okay, as we did in the first question. Similarly, we have to proceed with the same procedure here. Okay, so solution of question number 2. Let the cost of one bat, how much? Be rupees x. Okay, and cost of one ball be rupees y. Okay, as per the first condition of the question, it says that the coach buys 3 balls and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. That means in case first we write cost of 3 bats. How much? The cost of one bat is x rupees. Similarly, the cost of 2 bats will be 2x and the cost of 3 bats is 3x. Okay, also cost of 6 balls. How much? Here we have the cost of one ball, y rupees, 2 2y, 3 3y, and for 6 balls we have 6y. Okay, according to the first first condition of the question. What is the first condition? That the sum of 3 bats and 6 balls. Here we have 3x plus 6y is how much? 3900. So we can write it as 3x plus 6y equal to 3900. Like this, 3x plus 6y equal to 3900. Okay. So here we can take 3 as common like this, plus 2y equal to 3900. Okay. So x plus 2y equal to 3900. This 3 will go here at the denominator. So 3900 will be divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 zeros 3. So the equation becomes x plus 2y is equal to 1300. Okay. So let me name this equation as first. Second case of the same question. What is this second case? It says that the coach buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1300. So in second case, I shall write like this: cost of one bat. How much? X, because it is the same bat that has been bought by the cricket coach. So here the cost of the bat will be same. Okay, so I have to write it as X rupees. Similarly, cost of 3 more balls. 3 more balls. How much? The cost of one ball was y. So for the 3 balls, it is 3y. Do you follow me? Okay. So there is another condition of the question. So we shall write according to the second condition of the question. What is that condition? That one bat and 3 more balls has been bought by the cricket coach for rupees 1300. So we can write it as this is the cost of one bat, x, plus 3 more balls 3y equal to 1300. Do you follow me? Okay. So this becomes another equation of the question. Let me write is equation second. So these two equations, thus the equations first and second or the required क्या है? algebraic representations of the given situation. Okay, so this was the first part of the question. In the second part, what we have to do? We have to get the value of x from the first equation, okay, and the value of y from the first equation. Similarly, from the second equation, we have to get the value of x and y. Then we have to plot the graph. Okay, let's do it. Now for geometrical representation, we have two equations. One is x plus 2y equal to 1300, and the other is x plus 3y equal to 1300. Okay, so as you know, this is the first and second equation. Now from equation first we have x plus 2y equal to 1300. Keep x here on the right side of the equation, 1300, and this 2x will shift to right side, it will become minus 2y. Okay, so now we have to put the value of y to get the value of x. What we do, let's take the if y equal to we will take it 0 first. Okay, then x equal to 1300 minus 2, instead of y we write here 0, so it is 1300. 2 zeros are 0. Okay, x equal to 13. If y equal to bigger value we will take, if it is 400, okay, then x equal to 1300 minus 2 into 400, it's 1300 minus 800. Okay, it means it is 500, so it is 500. Okay, so we have two values, we will take these two values. Okay, similarly from equation second we have to do same as we did in this step. It is x plus 3y is equal to 1300. X plus 3y equal to 1300. Do you follow me? Okay, x equal to 1300, this is minus 3y. Okay, now if y equal to 0, then x is equal to 1300 minus 3 into 0, this is again kitna 1300. Okay, if x equal to 400, then x, if y is equal to 400, then x is equal to 1300 minus 3 into 4, it is 1300 minus 1200, it's 100. Okay, so we can make two tables from these two equations. Let's make this table 1 for equation first, this x and y, so we will put the values at their places. y0 x13, y0 x13. Next y400 and x is 500. Okay, similarly this is the first table, and from equation second we got this table, x and y. When y is 0, x is 1300. When y is 400, x is 100. Okay, so so we got these two tables. From these two tables we have to plot what? Graph. Okay, let's forward. So this is graph. Once again I'm going to plot it on the plan paper. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Y. Okay, now if we consider table first, it's here. X is 1300 and y is 0. Okay, so let's make first what shall we do? Mark this. This is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400, 1500. We have to take it because where our maximum value of x is 1300, so we can take up to 13. It's our choice. Similarly here 100, we shall write it as like this: 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Okay, we have y0, and this is y-axis. Here it is 0, and on the x-axis we have to move 1300. How much? 1300. So we have to carry on this 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100, 12, 13, 1400. Okay, so from on the x-axis we have to take 1300. This is 1300 and this is 0. That means the point is here. Okay, next point, it is 500 on x-axis. X-axis 500, this is 500, and y-axis 400. This is 400. Let us see, this 500 and this 400. 400 and 500. It's here. So it is 400, 500. Okay. Similarly, let's join them first. This is the line. Okay. Similarly, for the other table we have to make the line. It is 0, y0, 13. It is same point. y0 वो 1300, 0. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट 400, y पे 400, ठीक, और 100x पे, तो ये है ये पॉइंट यहाँ है. सॉरी, इट्स हियर. ठीक है, ये वाली लाइन नहीं है, ये पॉइंट. तो इसको और इसको मिलाते हैं. इसका मतलब है जो दो लाइनें हैं वो एक दूसरे से इंटरसेक्ट करती है. कहाँ पे? 1300, 0. सो दिस इज द ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द गिवन क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, सो वी कैन राइट दिस इज द above graph is required graphical or geometrical representation, and the solution of the equation is क्या है? It's x is equal to 1300, y is equal to 0. Okay, you got it? So with this we have completed question number 2, and the next questions we will try to do them in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.